YouTube, what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Yes, we are back with another video. We are reviewing the Wezteck. This right here is a guard that attaches to your clipper to where you don't need a guard.
Really?
Yes, I say you don't need different guards. You don't need a 1 guard. You don't need a 0 guard. You don't need a 2 guard. You don't need a 3 guard. You don't need guards no more. All right? Because this right here is all in one. This is something innovative for the barber industry. Stay tuned. Alright, so when you open up the box, it comes with the hair clipper blade instruction manual. Alright, it shows you all the accessories and how it works. It shows you the attachment guard sizes and everything you need to know on how to install the guards. So right off the back, it comes with that cutting blade, but also attached to that cutting blade, you have the 0 to 2 guard, the 2 to 4 guard, the 4 to 6 guard, the ceramic blade, and the brush cleaner. So to install the guard onto the blade is kind of tricky, all right? So you would think that you would slide it in on the outer blade, but it really is just the inner shelf that you're sliding onto it, just like you see right here. So when you finally install the blade onto the clipper, all you have to do is slide that lever over, left to open and right to close. So first things first, when I seen this on the internet, I was thinking, bruh, does it really work? All right, does it really work? Is it really gonna work? I don't know. Matter of fact, the Wiz guy came in one day at the shop when me and Wavy Kid Kev was down here, and basically he was like, man, I got this new product that's coming out. He showed it to us. We didn't really get to cut with it. We just seen it. But in the back of my mind, I'm like, you know what? That actually looks good. The question still remains, does it work though? So that was before the CT Barber Expo, before we went out there, and before they started selling these at their booth. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't think that this was gonna work. I'm gonna be honest with you, I didn't think that this was gonna work, but I'm gonna show you a couple of haircuts. You be the judge.
Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction.
So just like with any taper, I go in, I set my bald line first. Then with the Wezteck blade all the way down, I'm gonna set in my lever open. Yes, just because the guard is actually on there doesn't mean that you can't set the lever closed and open. Now opening up the blade to a 1, I'm gonna set in my 1 guard open. Next, opening up the guard to a lever 2, I'm just gonna take off some of that bulk at the top. Dropping back down to the 1 guard, I'm gonna clean up that area between the 1 and the 2. Now, just like if you was to have a 0 guard, dropping down to the 0.5 in a flick out motion, I'm flicking out that middle line. Now with the guard all the way down, with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, I'm flicking out that bottom line. So as you can see, just like the steps that I use in all my haircuts, the Wezteck can do the same exact steps. All right, you guys, so you seen how they cut. I was only able to cut with the Instinct clipper. I wasn't able to put this on a bunch of clippers to test it to see how it works. I wasn't about to do that and put all my time and effort into it, to be honest with you. I love these clippers and this is what I'm gonna be using. So I thought, hey, you know, if you want to test it out for a different clipper, how about you review it and you test it out? You know what I'm saying? But with these, I feel like they work good. Listen, before I get into my total review of how I feel about it, let me share some of my thoughts on what you need to know before actually just picking it up and purchasing it. Now, this isn't a product that you just pick it up and you just, it's 1, 2, 3. No. You have to learn which goes up and which way goes down. You have to learn that, all right? It's something that, just like when you were a barber student and you tried to learn different guards and you had to learn it, you have to learn which side goes up and which side goes down, all right? Because that's gonna get a little confusing for you if you're, you know, cutting hair and you don't know if right is the way to go up, you don't know what left is the way to go up, you know what I'm saying? So once you use it a lot, you're gonna pick up on which way to go as far as going up or down. So like I said, I don't know if this works for Andis blades. I haven't really done the full research yet. I know that this works for Stylecraft, Babyless, wall type of guard systems, you know what I'm saying? Anything other than that, I haven't done my research to be able to know, but you can always hit them up on Instagram. Link will be in the description. Hit them up on Instagram, give them a little message, ask, follow, do the research, go in there, see if they got their guard on one of these Andis clippers or something like that. But, you know, other than that, let's get into the pros and cons. So as you know, the pros is self-explanatory. It just really is. At the end of the day, you don't have to use multiple guards. You don't have to get down, switch, put down, you know, take off. You don't have to do any of that, all right? It's just all in one. It makes it real easy to just stay where you are and cut hair. Does it work? Yes. It works. Here's where the con comes in. I don't know what's going on with the blade, but it doesn't cut off super quick if you were to not have the blade on. Now, this is what I mean by that. Now, when I cut bulk off with this one, it just comes off real smooth, real nice, real easy, all right? Now, when you put this blade on and you put this guard on, it comes off, but just not at the rate of if you wouldn't have it on. You know what I'm saying? Is that a bad thing? I don't know. I don't know. For me, if I'm cutting bulk down, no, I'm not gonna use this, all right? I'm gonna use this to cut the bulk down. If I'm fading, yeah. I ain't trying to go back and pick up another guard. I got it all in one right here. So that's the pros and cons when it comes to this, all right? You're not gonna be able to cut down bulk real fast, but like I said, take this with a grain of salt as well. Don't just write it off. Take this with a grain of salt because I only used this clipper. I didn't use other clippers like the Masters or the Wall Seniors. I didn't use any of those clippers with the powerful motor. Not to say that this doesn't have a powerful motor, but still, this is the only clipper that I tried it with, so take that with a grain of salt. Do I feel like you guys need to go out and purchase this? Yes, this is a must cop, especially just for the knick-knack purposes of having something different, all right? Just learning a new tool, a new product. It doesn't hurt to put one of these Wezteck guards on your clippers. So if you wanna pick one of these blades up, link will be in the description. Make sure you go to www.wezteck.com, pick up yours today. Like I said, must have in your arsenal, especially if you have 2 or more clippers, all right? Which, as barbers, let's be real, we all got 2 or more clippers, especially to put this on, all right? If you want to save time, Wezteck is the go. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out. Peace.